Unpacking the phrase, "Oh, shoot." Hello, everyone. Today we're going to unravel the meaning behind a common English expression, "Oh, shoot." This phrase pops up in English conversations quite often, and understanding its use can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. "Oh, shoot," is an idiomatic expression that you might hear when someone is mildly frustrated or disappointed. It's a polite and inoffensive way to express a feeling that something has gone wrong or didn't turn out as expected. It's similar to saying, "Oh, no," or "darn it," but it's much milder and won't offend anyone. You can use, "Oh, shoot," in casual settings, like when you've forgotten something at home, or when you miss your bus. It's not appropriate for serious situations. Think of it as a handy phrase for those small, everyday hiccups that we all experience. Let's look at some examples. Forgetting something. "Oh, shoot. I left my phone at home." Making a small mistake. "Oh, shoot. I spilled a bit of coffee on my shirt." When you're slightly late. "Oh, shoot. We're going to miss the start of the movie." And there you have it. "Oh, shoot," is a great phrase to express that little bit of annoyance without crossing any lines of politeness. Use it when things are a bit bothersome, but not the end of the world. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using the phrase in your daily English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!